welcome back. So today a new event came in this game that is called fighting types training event. So this is what the event is. We have to complete all the four in the and all the three in the co-op mode. So I have already completed all of them. So I'll just be completing them again. This will be my lineup for the plain game, that is single player. So I'll just start now. I'll just decrease the speed for you guys to understand it a little better. Just kill them with a single move. I'll try at least. Heat wave is really strong. Just use a cross chop in protection, but I think the heat wave can kill it, so it has killed all of them. So that was completed here. So here it is, first is completed, and now we'll go for the second stage. So we'll play with the same lineup again. So I'll just use my destiny, a tackle, a cross chop in my first. Now I'll be using heat wave to complete that. Just hope for cross chop to be successful. So it was successful. Now a heat wave will definitely try to kill it. So it has been killed. Both the Pokemons have been killed again. So we have completed the second stage also. We have only two more in single player. Now we'll go for the very hard stage. It is 15,000 recommended strength. So here it is. We are just starting now. Again we'll play with the same type. My destiny, a tackle, a cross chop. And now I'll try for the heat wave. I think I'll have to try for another cross chop. No, I'll be successful again. I think I'll be. Let's see. So both of them have been killed again. So we have completed 3 stages in 3 minutes, guys. So we have been completing it really fast. So now we'll go for the fourth and final stage. Remember to claim to have one fighting type Pokemon in this for better strength. So I'll just start now. Just use my destiny, a small tackle, a hoo-ha. A heat wave will now be used. Small tackle again. And I guess another cross chop is required. And one more heat wave will be required, guys. So that will be all. Just waiting for it to be completed. So here it is. Another, after one heat wave, we will finally defeat it. So we have completed all the 4 stages in less than 4 minutes. So that was a really nice game, guys. Now we'll go for the 3 co-op stages. As you can see, I've completed all of them, but still I'll complete them for you. So this will be my lineup. I'll just change it. I'll have Machamp here. He is a little stronger than Lucario in the starting moves. After the Sing move, Lucario is a far better player than Machamp, only because of close combat and its accuracy. Because Machamp's cross chop is at 70 accuracy, so that is very low, guys. I'm expecting a Sing grade of Machamp anytime soon. So in that, its cross chop's accuracy will be increased. So that will be the main essential thing. Just start with My Destiny. Now I'll be using Blast Bun in my first turn. It's using X defense all, so it is increasing the defense of its own. So now we'll be using a dire hit just to strengthen ourselves. A focus blast is also used, so most probably it will be killed. I'll be using a heat wave now, and I think one more heat wave will be required, maybe not. So one more heat wave is required. Let's see its power now, guys. So it is killed, and now I think we can kill it by this heat wave. So a little bit is left. I'll use another heat wave, but it won't matter if the focus blast is successful, and it is, so we have already defeated it. So that was it, guys. We have completed the first stage of co-op mode. So these are all the rewards we get. We'll go to the second stage very soon. So this is the second stage. I'll just go for the same lineup now. So here it is, we are matching, and we have matched with a couple of players. So I'll just start now. So I'll be using My Destiny in my first turn. Then a Blast Bun will be used. So it's using a Breathtaking, and its sync move countdown is released very soon. Now a dire hit of mine will be used. I'll just try to defeat Lenrock first because it is the main Pokemon, but they aren't attacking for the center one. That will be, let's see what we can do here. A Blast One is used. So Lenrock is using a Hyper Voice. I'll just need to use 2 or 3 more Blast Buns. So let's see its power now, guys. I'll just be using some of them. So I have a dire hit, and then I don't think I'll be facing its sync move now, because that will be it, and will be facing the Unity attack, and after that I'll be giving my Blast Bun if required. So here it is, we are completing the game. So we have done it. Let's see, using Blast Bun, little bit is required. Vacuum Wave can defeat, but Blast Bun is required. So we have killed it with my last attack. So that was it, guys. Now we'll check the rewards which we get now. So this is it. These are all the rewards we get. And now we'll go for the last game, which may take 2 to 3 minutes if I'm not wrong. So this will be my lineup. Same lineup I'll be playing. Let's see how long can I keep it. I just need players who attack the center Pokemons, so that can help me. So here it is. I'll be using My Destiny in my first turn. They'll be using X Defense all, and I want to use a Blast Bun, but I don't think it will be very successful. It damages around 800, 878 to be precise, I think. See, 827, it is lower than I expected it to be. but let's see its power now. Now they are improving the speed also, they are gearing up for it. Another blast one is used now. For that I'll be using another dire hit for the game. So 1400 was a nice move. I'll just instruct him to aim for the center, but I don't think he will. So it's all on the two Charizards now. I'll be using a blast burn, and we have successfully reduced its hyper voice. So now I think unity attack is here, and then I'll be using my destiny and my sync move if required. Let's see what is required now. So I'll be using my destiny in my first turn. A little bit of it is left. Now I'll be using my destiny. I'll be using my sync move to convert it to Mega Charizard. And after this, if possible, I'll be using not blast burn is not possible. I'll be using a heat wave, but I don't think it will be required. It will be required, guys. So let's see. So I have killed it completely with no sync move faced. So that was a nice game from our side. And that was it, guys. We have completed all the phases. I'll just be claiming a Glalie video. I have 4700 gems, something like that. So I'll just be going for a sync pair scout video. Let's see if I can get them or not. No, I think I'll be trying it tomorrow. I'll be getting 1500 tomorrow, so I'll be going for 2 of them. I'll just claim for my battle rewards. So these 2 are already there. We have 6. We have completed it 6 times. We have only, I'll show you guys, I only have 7 missions to go. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40 and 50. All the 7 missions are left, and then I'll be completing the event. So I'm expecting today to be completed. So that was it, guys. Thank you very much.